Hey there, in this particular session, we are going to talk about the live view UI. Now, this is the view of the mobile device which you are connected to through the Tricentis mobile agent. Now, we have already worked with this, but we haven't specifically talked about all the features or options which are available with this live view UI. So let's go ahead and let's see what are these different options. So for this, I need to open a scan window. So I'll go to my mobile modules, and from there I will go to scan and then mobile. Then here I've got a remote connection. My device is connected remotely. You can also choose local if you have a device which is connected locally. Now here, as you can see, it has got all the emulators, simulators, and the real devices. So here I'll be selecting my real device. And then here I need to select an application. So I will select an application which is already installed on the device. And here you will see there are two options. One is run live view and one is reset application. Now, if I deselect this particular option, then it will not show me the live view of my mobile device or the application. But if I select this, then it will connect to the device and it will show me what is opened in the application in a live view. So let's go ahead and now let's connect. And once it is able to set up the connection and open the application, then the live view will open on the left-hand side. So this is the live view as you can see here. So there are a couple of options on this live view UI tool which you can use. So on the top, you can see on the right-hand side, we can close this window whenever we want. Then there is this square yellow button. It is basically the app overview. So it will open the app selection menu of the mobile device. So if I click on this, you will see that it has selected this square button, which is very similar to your square button on your mobile device, right? So from here, I can select between different applications. Then there is also this circle button, yellow button, which is very similar to again the circle button which you find in your Android home page, right? So if I click on this, it will take me to the home screen on the iOS and the Android devices. Okay, so you can see this now on the home screen. Then there is this small triangle button. As you can see here, this is the back button. It works on the Android device, not on the iOS device. And then finally, on the bottom of the screen, you will see there is a keyboard button, and this is to open a keyboard input screen. Now, from this input box, I can type anything. And if I have an application where you have to type something, then you can enter it right from here. So I can go ahead and maybe search or type URL. I can go here and tap on the keyboard here, and then I can type here google.com and then hit the enter button right here. Okay. So as you can see, it has entered google.com. So that's how you can directly enter any input from a keyboard right from here. Now there is also a rotate button here, which is like in the form of an arrow, which is on the top left side of your live UI. And this is to change the orientation of your mobile device, right? So if I click on this, it will change the orientation, and now it has changed from vertical to landscape. And I can also change it back to the vertical, right? Or the portrait mode. And then there is another option here on the top, as you can see, there is a small on off toggle, and this is for live shot. If you enable this, it will automatically take a screenshot of the mobile device every few seconds. And this is enabled by default. You can disable it if you don't want a live shot of your mobile device. Okay, so here you can see now another button has appeared now, and I can click on this, and this will take a live screenshot of my current screen. And as I said, we can use the close button to close the live view window. Okay, so these are all the different options which are part of the live view window if you are opening it while scanning your application. Now, if we go back and if we go back to the mobile scan window and select the application again, so we'll go and select the device and then we will select the application and we are going to connect and then we are going to scan here. Now here in the scan window, right? So if we go ahead and select any particular element on our advanced view window and make this control unique, we can also highlight the selection on our live view. So if I click on highlight selection from here, you will see it has selected the username field on the app. And similarly, if I have got test password, you will see it has now selected the test password. And if I choose the login button, it has selected the login button. So while you are interacting with your Xscan for your mobile application, you can even select the elements and see if you are selecting the right elements on the device. So this will help in identifying the right controls for your application. So this is while scanning the application and preparing your module. So live view can help you in identifying the right elements. So these are all the options which are part of the live view UI. Whenever we are working with Tosca Mobile, we can always interact with this live view and we can scan the elements. We can also perform or interact with the mobile device or application using this live view UI.